Moving on now, actor Salman Khan and 4 other Bollywood actors appeared in Jodhpur court today in connection with the 1998 black buck poaching case. Salman Khan recorded statement in the court claiming innocence, that he did not kill the black bucks. The court has asked him 57 tough questions related to the poaching case. When asked about the jeep and who was driving it, Salman responded saying that he doesn't know, he wasn't there, and the entire case is made up. Salman claims the forest department tried to frame him to gain publicity. Salman is accused of killing 2 black bucks in Kankani area near Jodhpur during the shooting of his films Hum Saath Saath Hain. Bollywood actors Saif Ali Khan, Sonali Bendre, Tabu and Neelam also appeared before the court to record their own version of the statements, and Salman's co-actors had accompanied him on his alleged shooting expedition in 1998.
आज अक्यूज के स्टेटमेंट हुए हैं, जिसमें से हमारे अक्यूज सलमान के स्टेटमेंट हो चुके हैं। कुल 65 सवाल पूछे। सलमान ने उन सवालों के जवाब में स्पष्ट कहा कि बिल्कुल झूठे गवाह तैयार किए गए, झूठी कार्रवाई तैयार की गई। हम शूटिंग के बाद सीधे होटल जाते थे और रात को होटल से निकलना सुरक्षा कारणों से पॉसिबल भी नहीं है, न कभी मैंने कोई शिकार किया।
My colleague Devankur joining us. So Devankur, you've been tracking the entire case from the very beginning. Can you take us through what exactly happened in the court? How did Salman Khan reply to the questions posed to him?
Well, Devina, Salman Khan was there in the court till about an hour back. He recorded his statement. He mentioned that he was not there even at the time when the alleged incident happened. He was not there at the spot of the alleged crime. In fact, Saif Ali Khan also maintained the same statement that Salman Khan made. Both of these actors have given their statements. The statements of the remaining 3, including Sonali Bendre, Tabu and Neelam, are currently being recorded inside the CGM court. So the proceedings, even as I speak, are very much on. As far as Salman Khan is concerned, he mentioned that this entire case is a cook-up, that he's being framed. He was wrongly booked by the forest department, and that it's a frame-up. He mentioned that this particular case was reported by a newspaper, and thereafter he was booked. That is the version that even Saif Ali Khan maintained, and we are given to understand that even the remaining 3 actors inside the courtroom can maintain the same stance. We have spoken with the lawyer of Salman Khan, Devina. He mentioned that Salman Khan has claimed innocence in this case. He has mentioned that the weapons allegedly in question were that the license was expired, but then he did not possess those licenses, those weapons at the time of the alleged crime. So that is the scenario that prevails right now. He has already been acquitted in the 3 cases in Jodhpur in which he was booked earlier, those pertaining to the Arms Act and Chinkara killings. But in this 4th case, there are witnesses who have already given their
But Devankur, 19 years since the 1998 Black Buck case. As the proceedings, legal proceedings are still on, you have Salman Khan saying he wasn't there. It's a publicity stunt by the forest department. And right now, Sonali, Tabu and Neelam still recording their statements in the court. We continue asking more questions and tracking this story very closely. Thanks for joining us for the moment.